Hello everyone. Today I'm going to unboxing my Apple Watch Series 7. Here is the box. It cost me US dollars 429. As you can see, here is the Apple Watch Series 7 midnight aluminum case, 45 millimeters. So let's unbox it. Okay. That's the case, beautiful wrapping. Here is the box and unboxing it. Oh, they have a case too, right? Let's put the Apple Watch aside. Here is the graphite stainless steel pin. This is the Apple Watch band. Let's put this aside for now. Here it is. They have extra one here too. I believe this is the medium band. How do I remove it? This one. Leave it here. Okay, that's the Apple Watch band unboxing. Let's put it back. Okay. That's that. Midnight black band. Put it aside. And let's get the Apple Watch Series 7 midnight aluminum case. I have this side as well. Okay. And here is Apple Watch unboxing. It's a little tight. Okay, it's coming up. That's inside. They have a instruction guide. How to set up your Apple Watch. Okay. And this is the Apple Watch charger. And finally, this is the watch. Previously, I owned Apple Watch Series 5. This is actually my third Apple Watch. Okay, remove it slowly. It's coming up. Okay. It's actually bigger than the previous iPhone Apple Watch Series 6 and 5. Okay, let's put the band. Okay, that's the Apple Watch. And let's pair it. So to pair, I need my iPhone. They're asking to continue, connect Apple Watch to its charger. So let's see. It's charging. So I connect to the charger right now. Would I able to pair while charging? Yes, I think. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and tap start pairing, right? So I go to my, this is my iPhone. Let's start pairing it. Set up for myself. Okay, pair Apple manually. It's pairing. Set up. I could choose restore from backup or set up as a new Apple Watch. I set up as a new Apple Watch. Wrist preference, I usually wear on my left hand, so it's already left. Continue. Connect the Apple Watch. This may take a few minutes. So looks like I'm done pairing. I have to wait for a while. Let's see. Terms and conditions, agree. Enter a password. So for now, I'm gonna skip this step. No password for now. iTunes, connect to iTunes. I am gonna skip that as well. I don't want to share at the moment. Create an Apple Watch passcode. No. Don't use a passcode for now. I will create later. Bold and text. Set up that one later also. I'm okay the standard font size. This is a location sharing. Click OK. This continue. Get notification. No, I'm not taking any medications. Safety, continue. Yes, make sure always on display is on. Which one do you prefer, list view or uh, grid view? I prefer the grid view, so continue. Apple is now syncing. Go to Apple Watch. So looks like I'm done pairing. We have to wait like 5 minutes it's to Apple Watch to be set up. So we'll wait for like 5 minutes it to be set up. So I will be back shortly. Hello, welcome back. Looks like my Apple Watch right now all set up, and this is the Apple Watch Series 7 45mm. So it's update complete, and if I want to change the interface, I could choose, I could add new watch faces. You have a lot of options you can choose. I prefer this watch face. Okay, and it's actually very smooth, right? Okay, activity. Let's see, do we need to have update any software? It's gonna checking for now. In the meantime, let's see more Apple Watch watch faces. That's that. So those are the Apple Watch faces. Let's try this one. As you can see the edges too. I believe this one has the feature that always on display. Okay, night mode, orientation, and this is the settings, general, focused. What's new in Apple Watch 6, 8 actually? So it has blood oxygen features too. Apple Watch Series 7 have the heart rate monitor. It has a compass, sleep tracker, watch face. It comes with a calculator and a calendar, activity, display and brightness. See, as you can see, always on one. Your Apple Watch can always show the time. You can also choose if your complications show sensitive data. So make sure always on is on always. So that's basically the Apple Watch settings. Notifications is on. Tap to show full notifications. Also, let me show you the compass. This is how the compass interface looks like. So you have a lot of apps. Let me show you another app. One of my favorite app is the calculator. Where is that calculator app? Here it is. So this is the Apple Watch calculator. So how do you, if you want to go back, you have to, if you don't want, if you want different number, you can click this button, X button, and let's see, 24. So that's calculator. Also you have the tip feature. It's easy. Also they have this Siri features. Let's see how the Siri is working on Apple Watch. Hey Siri, what's the weather tonight?
It's not looking good tonight. Down to 55 degrees and raining.
Okay. So it is raining all night. That's good to know. So that's basically the Apple Watch Series 7. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, Unpack YouTube channel, and have a great day. Thank you.